Good morning. So, woo! We are.
Wow.
Ooh, nice one.
We are on the road, aren't we?
We are.
Who's driving? It's Molly. So, somehow, it's been an hour. And the radio is gone.
Should we do like
The music is
look?
gone. We lost it. Click the speaking.
Okay.
How did we lose the radio?
0, 0, 0, 0.
Pardon?
Pardon?
I'm
It's still
tired now.
listening.
I'm tired now.
I am very awake for the record.
0, 0, 1, 9. Jalen, we got it.
Now what happens?
Now we wait.
That is-
For what? Is it unlocked?
Keep my Bluetooth
Don't
on.
touch anything.
Okay.
We're on the road and I am excited. You know,
I'm
it's
excited.
it's like it's the early morning. It's like dark, kind of foggy, and it's just very like, ooh, we are going on this trip.
I have a
And-
question for you, Jalen.
Yes.
How are you feeling embarking on this, like, really groundbreaking journey for
We'll go on. Oh
you?
my
Well, I mean, you said this is like your longest
Oh,
road
yes,
trip. Maybe the
yes,
craziest thing you've
Yes.
done. Please go on.
So, like, I haven't. The longest road trip I've taken was to like South Carolina. So,
This isn't the craziest thing you've done, Jalen.
so George is just pushing it a bit more, and like, it's not spur of the moment because we planned it, but something about it feels like it's just like, all right, let's do it, and we're just going. So, it's my longest road trip currently, and everybody gets to experience that with me. And it's my longest road trip.
Wow.
So exciting! I'm really looking forward to Passion.
We got the AUX. We're playing actual music.
Okay.
Everyone just took a nap.
So that I can have downloads.
Now we're playing the One
We're
Master.
not actually listening.
Jalen just woke up for a nap. All I could hear
And
was
like,
Harry Styles.
listen, but whenever I'm by a window and like I rest my head, like the window like fogs up with like things from like my hair. I think I don't know how to feel about
It's
it.
just because the temperature difference.
for
dude.
12.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for explaining things with science.
It's not a happy smoking time.
It's not a happy smoking time. It's a time of. It's not quite reflection, but it's like putting things off. You know.
You do a.
It's about drowning the pain
John Mayer at 8.
in the smoke. What have you been through, Molly?
It's this drive.
Uh-huh.
Let me tell you, when I was driving, everyone had an opinion
It's true.
about everything, including the radio, the lights, everything.
They wanted to stop the car at a stoplight.
Yeah. The exit car, they wanted it to be turned off at a stoplight. No.
Take a load off.
Need another one.
Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh. Is she okay? Someone check on her. We are on our way to the stadium. Woo! Hello? Yeah!
There's a car.
He's coming.
But he will have to wait.
He will have to.
Sorry.
It's a little jerky, it's fine.
We had a nice, like, how long was that? 30 minutes?
It was probably closer to an hour.
What?
No, it wasn't.
She
Yeah.
got back at like 4:30. It's 5:20.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so.
How is that an hour?
But we had a nice time.
Time's
We had some
flying
pizza. Mike, your knee, please.
Oh, sorry.
Already
I'll turn this way.
conflict. We've been together for a long time in this car.
We've all appropriately contacted our parents to let them know that we are in Atlanta. We touched
Somehow.
down. We're going to the stadium now, which is the right thing to do. But the
not
session
even-
starts at like 8:30.
Are we in
And I'm just kind
Atlanta?
of like, that's,
What time is it,
that's
Jalen?
interesting.
I don't think we're in Atlanta.
Is it 5:20? Or
Yeah,
is it
it's
4?
5:20.
I had a great hour.
It was refreshing.
It was
I
very
stood up almost the whole time.
We drank
I
water.
wanted to
My left butt
We
was
drank
worked out.
We drank.
It was
Jalen?
worked out?
Well, like, it all worked itself out.
Oh.
The muscles, the joints.
Oh boy. Joy's driving,
Joy-
and she's really
I'm
excited
very
about
happy.
When we
I
get to
love
the end,
drive.
turn right.
Turn right. Okay.
it. We will see
That's
you
part of the journey, guys.
when we arrive to the stadium.
We will.
This is for us. Like, who are you?
It doesn't. I'm having a moment. Sorry.
We've lost him.
I thought you said we were going.
What is happening?
happening?